Hello friends and welcome to my channel Instant Nerd. Today we will learn how to use ChatGPT to turn customer feedback into product features. So first of all, make sure you have ChatGPT on your browser and you are logged in. Once you're logged in, you can always type the prompt over here. For example, you can ask ChatGPT, I have a digital product and one of my customers have given the feedback that it does not contain any sugar. Now you have to write the prompt which is specific to your product. Please convert this feedback into a feature for my product and hit enter. Now just keep in mind that whatever prompt you are given to ChatGPT, he will create a response regarding that. So now you can see that I have given the prompt that my customer has given the feedback that it does not contain any sugar, and from this feedback ChatGPT has turned it into a feature that is 100% sugar free, perfect for health. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you like it, please like and subscribe to our channel.